Today, I will show you how to model this elegant lattice vase in Autodesk Fusion step by step. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step, go to create a sketch and select the front plane and go to create, select arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here and go to constraints and select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and the midpoint is 30 millimeters. And this arc has 85 millimeters of radius. And the distance between the center of this arc and the midpoint is 50 millimeters. Make sure that this point is horizontal with the midpoint. So go to constraints, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint. We made this one and finish the sketch. And now go to surface and select revolve. And the profile, select this line and the axis, select this axis here. The angle 360 degrees and press OK. And now go to create a sketch and select the front plane again. You can hide this surface a little bit and select line and make a line here and go to sketch dimension. This line has 35 millimeters of length and the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 25 millimeters. And here go to constraints, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint. Okay, and make sure that this line is a horizontal line and select line again and active the construction geometry, select the midpoint and make a line here with 100 millimeters of length. It will be for reference. So finish the sketch and now go to surface and select sweep and the profile, select this line and the path, select this construction line. And here the distance is 1 and the twist angle is 135 degrees and the orientation perpendicular and press OK. We made these two surfaces here. And now go to create and select thicken and select this surface, the body tool. And the thicken type is sharp thicken and the direction select symmetric. And the thickness here is 2.5 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. We made the body 3 here. And now go to thicken again. And here select this surface. And the thickness here is 1 millimeters. And the direction, one side, make sure that the direction is to outside of the surface. 1 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. We made the body 3 and the body 4. And now go to solid and select combine the target body. Select this body here and the tool body, select the body 3. And the operation here is intersect and press OK. We made this one. Okay. And now go to circular pattern. The object, select the body. The object here will be the body 4. And the axis, select this axis here. And the distribution full and the quantity here is 10. And press OK. And now go to create and select mirror. And the object type is body. The object is all these bodies. So click here in the body 4, hold shift in the keyboard and click in the body 13. We will select all this body and the mirror plane, select the front plane or the right plane. And the operation here will be new body and press OK. We made this one. And now go to modify, select combine, the target body, select the body 4, and the two bodies, select the body 5, hold shift in the keyboard and select the body 23. And the operation here will be join and press OK. We made this one, okay. And now go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And here in the front plane, select line, a construction geometry, and click here in the midpoint. Make a line here with 100 millimeters of length. I will hide this body a little bit. And select a circle. Make a circle here with 5 millimeters of diameter. And remove the construction geometry here. And now go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of the circle and this line here is 32.4 millimeters. And the distance between this point and this point here, the vertical distance, is 0.5 millimeters. Okay. And now here, select the circle again. Make a circle here with 4 millimeters. Remove the construction geometry, 4 millimeters of diameter. And here you can select a 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle here. And go to constraints, select the midpoint, select this line and this point here. Select this line and the midpoint. And now go to sketch dimension. This line here has 32 millimeters of length. And go to constraints, select the tangent, select this line and this circle. Okay. We made this profile. And now finish the sketch. Show the body 4. And go to revolve features. And the profile, select this circle and this rectangle. And select this circle. And the axis, select this construction geometry here. And the operation here is join. And press OK. So let me see the right side here. So that's it. And now go to File and select 3D print. And the object, select this body. The format 3MF and press OK. The name here, we will call this pen holder and press save. Now I will open the Bamboo Studio here and go to create a new project. And here you can open the folder that you save the pen holder. Move this to inside this app. Press OK here. And go to slice plate. And send to print.